Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SUMIF. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use SUMIF function. Again, it is very powerful, very fantastic function, very helpful, very useful, makes our life more easier. So what does SUMIF function do? So SUMIF function in Excel allows us to quickly add a range of values based on a set of criteria. Without wasting our time, let's jump on it and then learn how to use SUMIF function. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel now. I will be very thankful for that. So जैसे यहाँ पे आप एक spreadsheet देख रहे होंगे, I do have a company codes here and then I do have a different countries and then the income against those countries and then the labor cost. So what I want to check the income and labor for these countries here. So either we can check it by filtering the data from here, like suppose I'm filtering it by Australia, right, and then we can get the sum for income and then we can manually add up, but this will be time consuming for us. So instead of doing in that way, we want to save our time, so we can use SUMIF formula. So here we will use SUMIF formula. It will start with again equal sign and then SUMIF. So and now it's asking range, so we are asking, it's asking range if this country is, this is the criteria and then sum, we want to get the sum for this income, right? And then so we do have this much income for India. When we drag it down, it will give us the numbers for all of these countries. Same here, we want to check the labor, so we so equal to sum if these countries criteria again India, like this is if this country is here and then I want to get the sum for labor cost and then close it, and then this is a labor cost against these countries. So in this way we can use SUMIF formula. It's very easy, very simple and very helpful. Hope आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. पसंद आई तो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब and don't forget to hit on the bell icon button. Thanks for now and see you again with the new video. Bye.